Hey guys, Eric from LivinLite.net here. Today, super quick video. We're taking our Aqua-Hot exhaust tip that you see there that was a chrome unit that has rusted quite badly and replacing it with a Gibson stainless steel exhaust tip. It's a little larger. I think it's going to look a little bit cooler. So let's get to it. Alright, so we've already loosened up our exhaust clamp there. I didn't film that, but it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, just get yourself a nice open-ended wrench set or a socket set, a deep socket set. We're going with this Gibson, which is a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe, and the Aqua-Hot pipe, at least with our propane Aqua-Hot, is a 2-inch inner diameter that we're using here. This adapter we found fits well, so we'll put the full links for all of this in the description. Because we're using this adapter, we've got a little too much pipe and the existing exhaust is seized on there so tight we can't seem to get it off without really torquing on the exhaust, on the Aqua-Hot exhaust pipe. So we're just going to sawzall that off to the correct length and then bolt all this up and we'll be good to go. Today we're going to be using our rigid Job Max tool. I love this thing. These little adapters all fit into the same base unit. It's great for RVs, for compact spaces where you really got to worry about carrying a bunch of tools. This attachment gives us basically a sawzall. The one that comes with it is usually for a flush cut attachment, which is awesome, as well as a sander. Good for doing little bodywork touch-ups or having to clean off rust, etc. Great tool available at Home Depot and probably online and Amazon as well. We'll put links for that. Alright, so we're almost done. Our previous exhaust tip was very low to the ground. We definitely don't want it too close to the bodywork because we don't want it to hurt any of the paint. And we want it to make sure that the exhaust comes out far enough so that the exhaust gases don't build up under the coach. But from the factory, ours came so low that it was in the grass in many situations when our suspension was all the way aired down. So we loosened up our exhaust clamps and adjusted that pipe up a little bit so that it's a little straighter and hugs the coach nice, as you can see here. So we're going to tighten everything up and fire up the Aqua-Hot and give it a test. Make sure if you're going to take on this project to, I'd say air up your suspension when you're installing everything, and then make sure to air down the suspension if you have a diesel air suspension coach. At the end, to check your clearances, both distance from the RV and distance from the ground, to make sure you've got plenty of space there for the exhaust gases to escape. Alright, so everything's tightened up. It looks great. Chrome is amazing when you polish it. It's just, nothing beats the look of it. But the maintenance on an RV is just, it's too much for us. So the stainless steel tip we think looks really good. We think it's going to be a lot less maintenance over time. And we'll let you guys know what we think in future comments. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for future videos and we'll see you on the road.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
You can also subscribe to the blog directly on LivinLite.net, and you'll receive email updates of all of our posts.